Today I will introduce to you the automatic mag welding machine from Zinjining. First, place the rod steel. Start the welding machine, and two low spatter welding machines will weld both sides of the corrugated walls. At the same time, the rod steel will be automatically welded. This equipment has a high degree of automation, eliminating the need for manual welding of rod steel. At the same time, the welding strength is high. Finally, let's take a look at the effect after welding.